The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a new device that has a triple ring design with boxed-off edges and a similar size and weight to the S23 Ultra. The key updates include a flat display, a titanium frame for improved durability, and a new Gorilla armor at the front. The device comes in 4 colors: titanium black, violet gray, and yellow, with 3 exclusive colors available on Samsung.com. The back is still Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and the front is made of up to 25% recycled materials. The display bags, a 6.8 inches with dynamic AMOLED technology, a punch hole on the front, and Quad HD Plus resolution. This device has an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, using LTPO technology, making it more efficient. The key update is the peak brightness of 2600 nits, which is higher than the 1750 nits of the S23 Ultra. Samsung's S24 Ultra has an impressive display, an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, and enclosed S Pen for low latency. The battery size is the same as the S23 Ultra with 5000 mAh, and the battery life is good with well-optimized processor. The S24 Ultra Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset offers better efficiency and can support up to 45 watts of wired charging and 15 watts of wireless charging. Performance is top of the line with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 12 gigs of RAM, pairing with a 256 gigs, 500 gigs, or 1 terabyte of storage and a 1.9 times larger vapor chamber with enhanced heat dissipation. Samsung has promised 7 generations of Android OS updates, aligning with a Pixel device. The cameras have a 12 megapixel with f2, 2 selfie camera, a quad rear-facing camera setup, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 200 megapixel primary camera, a 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom camera, and a new 50 megapixel periscope zoom camera, with 5 times optical zoom. Samsung claims that the 50 megapixel camera can still achieve 10 times lossless zoom and 100 times optical zoom. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has been compared to the S23 Ultra, featuring a larger pixel size and larger lens, providing 160% more light and 2 times wider image resolution. The camera also offers AI features such as AI photo editing, generative AI, and instant slow-motion video capabilities, include 8K to 30 frames a second and 4K to 120 frames a second. But 4K at 120 FPS requires Pro Video mode. The S24 Ultra also has instant slow motion, allowing users to take a regular video and slow it down, using AI to generate intermediate frames. Also, the price in the UK start at £1,250, while in the US it starts at $1,299. The device also offers a double storage option. As always, thanks and see you next.